So I'm going to swatch out my colors from this new watercolor metallic paint collection. And I did play around with them a little bit, and I feel like they kind of look like Easter colors. So I thought it would be fun to do an Easter egg, almost like a Fabergé Easter egg with leaves, similar to this circle that I did. I'm going to use my rigger brush, which has long bristles, and this is a sable synthetic brush, so it has like some bounce. It doesn't just kind of lay on your paper. It has a nice bounce, and the bristles hold the water very well. So I'm going to start, I think, with this kind of lavender purple color, and I'm going to try to use all of the colors on the palette. You just have to be on my lap, Max, don't you? Now I created this outline, and if you don't want to draw one yourself, I do have a link to download it in the description area. Maybe move on to this metallic blue. Now the purpose for swatching your paint is to get a feel for the pigment and how it works with the watercolor paper, the brush that you're using, how much water to pigment ratio you want to use, a lot of things, and just for brush control too. Plus, this is a very relaxing exercise, very soothing. I'm going to see how this blue interacts with this turquoise green. It's kind of fun. Maybe add in some of this lavender just to play around a little bit. Anything goes with this exercise. And I kind of like this opalescent color right here. Let's see how this pink looks. It's pretty. It's almost like a pale rose. Little flecks of metallic pigments in there. And the yellow is really vibrant and has a really nice sheen to it. This is more like a white pearly color. I feel like it's going to get lost there, so I'm going to add in some of this green. This is very similar. It does have an opalescent look to it if you look at it from a different direction. And that copper is pretty solid. Now, since the yellow is so vibrant, I'm going to just strategically place it because that's where your eye is going to be drawn to first. And those are some things to think about when working on any painting project or even a design project. You want to kind of lead your audience's eye in the direction that you want it to go. And the way we do this is through color, white space, boldness, they're all things to consider. Thank you, God, for this beautiful moment in time to just work on my watercolor paintings, to get in touch with my true self, my creative self. Well, this is a fun project to do when you just want to open the creative channels to your brain. You're not sure what you want to paint. Plus, it also makes a beautiful Easter card. This palette has a lot of pastel colors and spring hues, making it perfect for a project like this. There you have it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.